I am using this now to go and get my Woff2 web fonts. There's many places you could go. Some of them were premium, some of them not very intuitive, some of them laden and loaded with adverts, and I hated that. And there were some conversion websites, but they're not that great these days. They're a bit wobbly. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Or you get told it's been corrupted and you sit there going, what? It was okay the other day. This website was shared with me and it is brilliantly amazing. Look at all the fonts you have here. I'm just going to go over and I'm going to type in Poppins. Let's go for Poppins. And I can then select which font sizes I want. I could even go for italic if I want. It's up to you. You pick what you want. There's a bit of CSS there. You can completely ignore that. But what you want to do is go and click download. It will instantly download. There's no adverts. There's no funky stuff going on. You're going to get this file that you can then add to your media library. Why are custom fonts important? You are removing the need for your fonts to fetch from Google. And if you care about GDPR and page speed and all of that, trust me, you want to be custom loading your fonts. But this is super brilliantly amazing. Look, if I type in Mont, you can see there are different Montserrat variations. And one of my favorites is the Shadows into Lights 2 font that I like to use on quote pages. Well, look, I can go and download the Woff2 file for that. That's how quick and easy and beautifully brilliant this is. So, you know, Lobster 2, look, some of these fonts don't have loads of variations, but what you're getting here is kind of what you would probably get from other places as well. And this is completely free to use. The link for this is in the video description. Go and get your Woff2 files. You have no excuses. I'm Imran Web Squadron. See you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss that step.